Hello parents of Mrs. Tsuchimoto's first grade class. I am making this tutorial for a program that we use at our school called Typingpal, which is a software that helps your child learn how to type. So I sent everyone an email that has the link to this website as well as their child's username and password in that email. So this is the screen that you get when you click on that link, and you would enter your child's username and password in here. And I have done that in another screen here, one of our students' pages. When you first get to this website, on the very first page on the home screen, you can click on Theory, and it shows the 7 keys for successful typing, and it talks about posture and different things. So you can look at that, or have your child look at that. And then the next thing we're going to go to is the Learn tab here at the top of your screen. And on the Learn thing, in the Learn tab, it's got the basic advice, which we just looked at, which was on the home page. Your child can do an initial test of typing if they want, although they haven't had very much experience typing, so they probably wouldn't do very well. And then it starts in the actual lessons. And I'm going to click on this one. This starts in the home row. This is the very first lesson, and this student has already done it, but we'll look at it real quick. And it's got targets for accuracy, mistakes, and speed here, and you're going to click on the next. And it's going to show the kids the finger, where the position of their hands are on the finger they're using for J and F of this video. And the child is just going to start typing, and let's say they make a mistake. Your computer will make a sound, and they're just going to keep going, and then it will underline where they made a mistake. So if you make the spaces are on here too, so the kids can learn how to do spaces. You can pause the lesson anytime and then restart it, or whatever you need to do. We're going to get out of here, out of this lesson. But they keep doing these lessons, and they'll work on different letters, and the home row is step 1, and then they can take a test at the end. In the Move On screen, there's words they can type, like short sentences of easy words when they start getting better about typing. And there's also some games. So let's look at a couple games here. There's 2 games, Monkeys in Jeopardy and Cosmic Ball. So let's look at the Cosmic Ball game. You're going to hit the play button, and you can choose which level you're working on. Since we're working on middle row, I'm going to select middle row and also select beginner. And it's going to count down, and there's going to be a letter highlighted and flashing, and the kids need to find that letter when their hand is in home row. And if they type it early, the ball will go faster, but they have all the time that it takes to get to the next area. And if they miss, they can't find the screen, it's just going to blow up and they'll get another chance. So I'm going to get out of this game, but that's a game they can play. And here's another game, the monkey game. I'm going to do the same thing with the middle row and beginner. And they need to type in those letters before they hit the water. So let's say if they make a mistake, if they hit the water, they have quite a bit of time to find it, and then they get another try. So those are some fun games that the kids can play. There's also a results screen where you can look at the dates that your child has done any of these tests and what their mistakes and speed and stuff were. But the main thing you're going to do is maybe the games and the learning section going through these lessons. I think that typing is a really important skill that our kids learn, and we try to work on it in class and in technology. But the more the kids can do this at home, or if they're wanting some computer time, this might be a good program to go to. When I was a kid, I actually learned how to type on a typewriter. This dates me a little bit. I think it was one of the last years our middle school used typewriters, and then we, of course, went to word processing. But our society is becoming more technologically advanced, and these kids are going to be using computers more and more and more, and earlier. So the better they can type in an accurate way, I think the better it will be for them in the future. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial about Typingpal, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.